everyone, my name is Rich and welcome again to another edition of Learning with Rich. So for today's topic, this is the continuation of our discussion about the trusses. So in this exercise, I'm going to teach you how to change the truss materials, editing the truss bottom chord, and we will be doing some detailing on our trusses. Okay, so let's get started. So after we created our truss and attach our trusses to our roof, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the material of my trusses. Okay, so I'm going to teach you first how to change the truss material. So to do that, I'm going to select the truss here, or before I do that, let me just load it first because it's not yet loaded in this exercise. So from the insert tab, load family. Okay, so I'm going to move the slider down and then look for structural framing. Structural framing wood. And then I'm going to use M dimension lumber. So I'm going to open that, and from the types here, so I'm going to use here, let's say 64 by 235. So I just go ahead and select this one and then OK. Now it's loaded. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to select one of the trusses, and then from the properties, edit type. Alright, so from the type properties, the structural framing type here, so instead of set framing type, I'm going to move the slider down, and then I'm going to change the dimension here, M dimension lumber type. Okay, so if I select here OK, so this is how it will look like. Okay, so let us just wait. Alright, so there you go. So you see, that's how it looks like. So that's our dimension lumber. But I do not want to change the material only on this part, but I want to change all of this. So I'm going to select again the trusses, one of the truss, and then edit type. Okay, so I changed the top chord, so I'm going to do that also on my vertical webs. The structural framing type, dimension lumber. Same with my diagonal webs. I'm going to change that, dimension lumber. Okay, and then same with my bottom chords. Structural framing type, M dimension lumber. Okay, and then I just select here, OK. Alright, okay, so that's how you change the material of your trusses. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to edit our truss bottom chord. Okay, so to edit that, I'm just going to do it on one of the trusses here. Okay, so I'm going to do it on one trusses. So I'm going to open the section here. So this is my section 1. Okay, so I'm going to modify the bottom chord here of my truss. So let me just change first the visual style to realistic. Okay, and then I'll select this, select the truss, and then you can see their edit profile. Just click that one. Okay, so what I'm going to modify is the bottom chord. So I'm going to select the bottom chord, and then using the line tool, I'm going to hover my pointer to the bottom chord, and then I'm going to type, let's say for example 5,000, enter. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to move down my direction. I'm going to create a line with the distance of 750, for example, enter. Okay, so I'm going to do that here also at the other side. So hover my pointer here, and then once you see the temporary dimension, I'm going to type 5,000, enter, and then I'm going to move down 750 also, 750, enter. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use my start and radius arc tool So I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to pick here 1, 2, and then the arc. So let's say, for example, 7,000. Enter. There you go. And then I select here modify. Now I need to remove this line here. Okay, I only want this shape from here going down, and then the arc going up, and then going to the right. So I do not want this line here. So to remove that, I'm going to use the split element tool, and then make sure that the delete inner segment is checked. So I'm gonna hover my pointer here to split. This is the first point, 1, and this one, 2. There you go. So it's now deleted. So I'm just go ahead and select the modify here, and then I'm going to select check. Let's just wait. There you go. Okay, so let me just select this level here, and then let me just adjust outside. Alright. Okay, so that's how you edit the truss bottom chord. Now, the next thing that I'm going to show you is, I'm going to teach you to make your trusses more detailed, detailing of the trusses. So as you can see in this portion, okay, so it's not tidy up, right? So there are some intersection, overlappings of your trusses. This one is not closed. Okay, so if you want to detail your trusses, so this is how you do it. Of course, I'm not going to do that detailing on all the trusses. I'm just going to show you how, to give you an idea. So first, I'm going to hover my pointer. Do not click. You just hover your pointer here, and then you press tab. So once it highlights, you click. Okay, and then after that, you select this one, right? You click to unlock it. Okay, so same with this portion here. So I'm going to hover my pointer, tab, and then click, and then I'm just going to unlock it. There you go. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this tool, beam column joins. So I select this one. There you go. And then I'm going to click this arrow here. So it will now join there. Oh, let me just lock it. There you go. And then I select modify. Alright. So I'm going to modify now this portion here. So to do that, I'm going to hover my pointer to this truss here, and tab, click. Oops. Tab, click. And then again, you unlock it. And then as you can see, there's an arrow. So I'm going to drag that above. Just somewhere here. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the cope tool. So I select the cope tool. So I'm going to select this truss here, and then this one. There you go. Select again this truss, and then select this one. There you go. Okay. So same with this one. So I'm going to unlock this also. So I'm going to hover my pointer, tab, click, and then you unlock it. Okay. Then after that, you just need to move this something like this one, right? Okay, and then let us scope it. So I select this one, and then this one. Okay, select this one. Select this one, and then this one. There you go. So let me just select modify. Alright, so same with this. So I hover my pointer, tab, click, and then unlock. So let me just move all the way here. Alright. Okay, so let us scope it. So I select the scope, select this one, and then this one. Okay, select this one, and then this one. There you go. So basically, that's how you make your truss detail. So I'm going to select modify. Now let me go to this portion. So I'm going to hover my pointer. I'm going to delete this one and then this one. Okay. So hover your pointer, tab, and then click. And then after that, you unlock it, then delete. Okay, so same with this one. So hover, tab, click, and then after that, unlock it, then delete. Okay. Then after that, let me just adjust this one up to here. So I'm going to hover my pointer, press tab, click, and then I'm just going to adjust all the way here. Okay. And then this one, hover your pointer, tab, and then you click, then you just unlock it. There you go. And then you just drag something like that. Okay, and then you cope it. So cope, select this one, and then this one. There you go. Okay, so that's how you make your trusses detail. Of course, you just need to continue this one, coping, right? Just to clear your trusses. So if all of your trusses are like this, I recommend either you doing this before you copy them around or make a group out of them. Alright? So hopefully you learned something from this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my blog site learningwithrich.wordpress.com. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Okay, once again, bye-bye.